I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how you should play Red Dead Redemption 2. This epic adventure invites you to step into the boots of Arthur Morgan, an outlaw navigating a changing world. You will experience a rich narrative, explore a massive open world, and make choices that shape your journey. Get ready to dive deep into a meticulously crafted historical setting, filled with countless details and engaging characters. The world of Red Dead Redemption 2 is incredibly detailed and alive. Take your time to explore every corner, from snowy mountains to bustling towns. You can hunt over 165 different animal species, fish in various waters, or simply enjoy the breathtaking scenery. Every interaction and discovery adds to the richness of your personal story within this vast frontier. Combat in Red Dead Redemption 2 is both challenging and rewarding. Utilize the Dead Eye ability to slow down time and target critical areas, making every shot count. You can personalize your experience by choosing from dozens of weapons, each with unique upgrades. Furthermore, customize your horse and camp, enhancing both your appearance and your gang's capabilities throughout your journey. Red Dead Redemption 2 is a game best savored, not rushed. Take your time to absorb the atmosphere, listen to conversations, and truly live as Arthur Morgan. The game offers hundreds of hours of content, encouraging you to forge deep connections with your horse and the gang. Your decisions, big or small, will shape Arthur's legacy in this unforgettable tale of the Old West.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.